Hey guys, this video is the continuation, like part 2 of my shapes video. So yeah, enjoy. Yeah, so let's make some shapes. Actually, let's start off with a difficult one today. Hexagons. So you make sure you want to have your for I in range loop. And quite obviously, we have it at 6 because there's 6 sides to a hexagon. And now we go forward. Oh, sorry. Turtle dot forward. Turtle dot forward, and in the parenthesis just write the number of pixels you want it to go, and I would say 100 pixels per side is fine. Now next we get our angle, so we have turtle dot right, and we're going to be turning 60 degrees. So yeah, that's basically it. Now if you run it, you would get this. Now let's move on to rectangles. Rectangles are only a little bit different from circles. So all you have to do is, instead of for I in range 4, you repeat the range loop 2 times, and then you do turtle dot forward for the longer side, which will be 300 pixels, then turn right 90 degrees. And then you do turtle dot forward 100 pixels for the shorter side, and then you turn right 90 degrees, which will repeat twice, and then when you run that code, you will get this. Now we're gonna make a pentagon. Now this time your range loop needs to have repeating 5 in it, and then you just move forward for 100 pixels and turn left not 90 degrees but actually 72 degrees, which I know is a little bit of a weird number, but it is the external angle on a pentagon. So yeah, let's see how that looks. Here is our pentagon, and that's it. So yeah, that's it guys. Those are all the shapes we're gonna cover for today. Subscribe, like, share the video, and comment if you want another part.